So Christmas is right around the corner, and that means gift shopping. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my top 4 gift ideas you can give to new parents. Coming up. Hey friend, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Josephine and I'm a registered nurse. And here on this channel, we talk about the journey to pregnancy for new moms, motherhood, and inspiration. And if you are returning, you are awesome. Thank you so much for coming back. So I'm gonna be Santa's elf today, and we're gonna be talking about some good gift ideas for new parents. So let's get into it. So I tried to make this list as inexpensive as possible and to give you some of the most creative ideas on really what new parents want or need at the time. So everything that I list here will be down in the description box below. So number 1 on the top of my list is you can gift a new parent Taking Cara Babies. Now, if you don't know who Cara is, you might be living under a rock. I don't know. But anyways, if you don't know what Taking Cara Babies is she's a NICU nurse, and she's also married to a pediatrician, and she specializes in sleep training and getting your baby on a sleep schedule. I will say that I've taken her classes and they are just phenomenal. We actually tried this with my nephew, and by 7 weeks, maybe 8 weeks at the latest, he was already sleep trained. My sister actually has never had a problem sleep training my nephew because she took Taking Cara Babies when she was pregnant. And then when she had her baby, she just did everything she told her to, and it's been phenomenal. So I would definitely highly recommend her. Her courses are age appropriate courses. So she has 0 to 3 months old, 3 months to 6, I think 6 to 1 years old, and even toddler ages. So definitely make sure you check her out. This is not sponsored, and I will be buying her course again when I'm pregnant. So Taking Cara Babies is number 1. Number 2 is creating a babysitting coupon or buying a babysitting service. Now this is really dependent on the mom and dad and your relationship to them. You can either give up your time to babysit their kid for maybe an hour to an hour and a half to 2 hours and allow mom and dad to have their alone time, go on a date, or you can buy a service that will allow a babysitter, a trained babysitter, to come and watch their kid. But I would say, watching my sister, my twin sister, and her husband, I realized that new parents really don't have time for themselves and they're just tired. So one of the best things you can do as a Christmas gift that's very inexpensive is to give up your time to allow them to do something that they would like to do. You can get creative with this, but at the end of the day, I think it's really important to allow mom and dad to have their time away from the baby to recharge. If you are getting value from this video so far, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other videos that I post. Let's get back into it. Number 3 is a cleaning service. I know when I was helping my twin sister and her newborn, the last thing that we thought of was cleaning. And so what I ended up doing was I told her, I'm gonna be your personal maid. I'm gonna do the dishes, I'm gonna clean for you, I'm gonna cook for you. And so what I would recommend, provide either your services to clean the house, or you can actually provide a cleaning service such as a maid to come and clean the house for them. And I think this just kind of helps offload some of the chores and some of the things around the house that the mom may get stressed that she's not doing. And so it's the little things that people take for granted that a new mom or a new dad can get overwhelmed and stressed about, such as doing the dishes, such as doing the laundry, such as cleaning the house, that, if you don't have a kid, you don't think anything of it, but now you have a new baby to take care of, it's just another thing on the to-do list. So that's number 3, get a cleaning service to help offload some of the stresses of a new parent. Number 4 is the Ember coffee mug. Now I love this. I actually tried it at a party I was at and it was phenomenal. It kept my water hot and my tea hot. And I thought of my twin sister because when I was helping her with her newborn, a lot of the times she would be eating or drinking something, a beverage, and all of a sudden my nephew Micah would start crying, and then she would have to stop eating or stop drinking and go attend to his needs. And then when she would come back, the food or the coffee or the drink was cold. And so when I had this for the first time, I actually thought of new parents because, number one, if your baby cries while you're drinking coffee or tea, by the time you get back, it's like cold and you don't really want it anymore. But with this Ember coffee mug, it actually is phenomenal because it keeps your drink or your beverage of choice at 135 degrees. So by the time you get back, it tastes like it's still fresh. And it's amazing. So for new moms and new dads who are busy, who love to have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, this is really good because you can go and come back and it'll still taste just as good as when you first brewed it. If you have any other gift ideas that you have that you'd like to share, make sure you put them down in the comments below. Or if you're a new parent and someone got you an awesome gift that you really loved, definitely make sure you put that down in the comments below so that other people can see it too. Next week, we're gonna have Wayne, my husband, join us for the Christmas series, so definitely make sure you tune back in next week to see him. Remember guys, we always say it's always a great day to grow. Grow in life, grow your baby, grow emotionally, and grow spiritually. And especially in the Christmas season, be nice and be friendly and kind. I will see you guys next week. Bye.